If your homemade ant bait tastes off to ants or seems to repel them instead of attracting them, you are likely using too much borax. For dosing guidelines, use no more than 2 teaspoons of borax per 1 cup of sugar solution or syrup as a starting point, because higher concentrations raise the bait's toxicity and can change its texture. Measure carefully with level teaspoons and dissolve the borax completely in warm water before mixing with the attractant so there are no gritty particles that ants avoid. If you need to prepare larger batches, scale the recipe proportionally and then dilute slightly if the bait seems too strong or clumpy. For example, make a half-strength test batch by adding an extra half cup of water and observe ant behavior for a day. Place small amounts in shallow, covered bait stations that let ants enter but keep children and pets out so you can monitor uptake without exposing anyone. Replace the bait every 2 to 3 days or sooner if it becomes dried out or contaminated, because freshness influences acceptance. Keep clear notes on the exact measurements and results so you can refine concentration gradually until you see steady bait consumption and effective transfer back to the colony. Common mistakes include using too much borax, which makes the solution bitter or gritty and deters foraging ants, so reduce concentration, fully dissolve the powder, and test a weaker batch before wider placement. Another frequent issue is making large batches without preserving them, which leads to crystallization and lower palatability, so make smaller batches or store sealed in the refrigerator and dilute before use. People also often place bait where competing foods are available, which reduces uptake, so clear competing sweet residues and position bait along ant trails or near entry points to improve contact. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to read and share practical home project experiences related to pest control and many other topics. We host an active discussion community where users trade tips and contractors can find work through direct community engagement.